Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Bybit to Tradingview. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and now let's get into it. So in order to do this, it is actually pretty simple and can be done in about a minute. First thing that you want to do is make sure that you have opened both Tradingview and Bybit accounts. Now you want to go to Tradingview and then scroll down here and you're going to come across this chart. So what you're going to need to do is click right here to open the full view of this chart. It's going to do that by opening it in a new browser tab. Then from here, click onto where it says Trading Panel, and after that look through the brokers for Bybit. If you can't find it right away, you can scroll down here and click onto All Brokers to see more options, and in my case, Bybit is just up here. So all you have to do is give it a click, and after that click onto the button that says Connect. And as you can see, it's going to open up a new browser tab, and it will ask you to log into your Bybit account. So I'm gonna use my Google account since it's what I used to open a Bybit account. Once I do, I will have to check my email for a verification code. After you enter the verification code, this window will pop up and it will ask you to authorize Tradingview to access the following functions. Finally, you can click onto the authorize button underneath, and there you have it. As you can see, now I have Bybit appearing right here with a green dot next to it, which means that I have successfully connected Tradingview to Bybit. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next one.